Okay, welcome. For today's lesson, we are going to learn how to create a hole on the curved surface like this or this. So here we have a model. If you try to cut a hole on this surface, you probably will not be able to do it. So what you need to do is to open up the origin. Okay. Once you open up these three planes, you can construct an offset plane and you pull it to maybe somewhere above. Okay, and just click OK, and straight away you'll see a plane here. So you create a new sketch here on this surface, and you can do maybe a circle. Okay, remember to put dimension. Put whole numbers. Remember to put the dimension with respect to the location. Maybe I want whole number 22 on one side, and maybe on this side. Okay, it's over constrained because it's at the center already. Why you do this is so that later you want to shift the hole, it will be easier to shift. Okay, I'm going to do another one, square hole perhaps. Okay, so for square hole, two dimensions, the left maybe 6 and the right maybe 16. Again, with respect to one of the corners, the location maybe 9. Okay, and the location from here to here, D, press D, and maybe I put 50 or 60, doesn't matter. So you stop the sketch, and now what you do is to create an extrude. Okay, select the two selected, change to cut, and maybe you can choose 10. Put a minus sign in front, and you click OK. So here you cut why is it a semicircle? Probably the depth of cut is not deep enough. You might want to change it to 20, and you cut. Notice that it is slightly a bit more. Okay, let's try 30 then, or 50. Sometimes it could be the position here, so you can go back to the sketch and adjust it. Okay, maybe with respect to this, put D. Okay, if it's over constrained, maybe sometimes it's good to just delete off this, and let's try another sketch more to the center. Yes, more to the center. Put D, dimension the radius again, again, put the dimension to the position, put hole number, and let's try it again. Okay, so I've done the second sketch. Okay, double click on this, edit feature, and now select the other hole here and click OK. Now you see that it's a perfect hole. So sometimes it's the position of the hole that you will not be able to cut it properly. Alright, hope you learned something today.